In this video, we are going to see the complete process of how to sign up for the payment partner Razorpay. Required for an e-commerce website, enter basic details, fill in business details, and complete KYC verification properly. Once the Razorpay account is activated, we'll also see how to properly integrate it into our website. During this process, I received an email from Razorpay saying that my account has been activated. When I clicked that button, it showed a message saying, "Congratulations, your KYC has been successfully approved." All the details we entered were correct, and after their review, they activated our account. Our account is now active. If you scroll down, you will see an option to reveal live API keys. When I click that, an OTP is sent to my mobile and I enter it. Now you can see the key ID and key secret. This is very important. They will show this only once. If you close it, it will disappear. So download and save it securely. I'm downloading it locally. Now go to plugins, click add new and install and activate Razorpay for WooCommerce. After that, click settings. It will take you to WooCommerce settings where you need to enter the key ID and key secret that we downloaded. Once you save changes, it means Razorpay has been properly integrated into your WordPress WooCommerce website. First, search for Razorpay on Google and go to razorpay.com. Click the sign up button and enter your email address, then set a password. You will receive an OTP in your email. Enter that. Next, verify contact details by entering your mobile number and the OTP received. Then enter your full name properly. Next, they will ask on which platform you plan to use Razorpay: Android app, iOS app, WhatsApp, SMS, email payment links, or social media integration. Since we are building an e-commerce website, select website and continue. Now it asks for your website link. If you have seen my previous videos, you'll know I bought this domain for demo purposes. The domain is abc-business.shop. I enter it here. Whether it's a payment partner or shipping partner, your website should be at least up and running. Add basic product details for what you plan to sell. Also ensure that privacy policy, terms and conditions, and refund policy pages are properly created and linked in the footer. Usually both shipping and payment partners will check your website to understand what products you are selling. So before signing up, make sure your domain is active and your website is at least minimally ready. It doesn't need to be fully complete, just enough for verification. Now click next. On the left side, you will see onboarding steps, basic details, business details, and KYC details. Once you provide these three sets of details, it's enough. I have already entered basic details, reviewed them, and click it continue. Next is business details. First, it asks for business type. If your business is registered, select registered. Since this is for demo purposes, I select unregistered. Then it asks for PAN card details. I enter them and verify. Next, selecting your brand name is very important. This is the name customers will see during checkout, payment links, UPI transactions, and QR code payments. Set this name properly. Your brand name and personal name can be different. If you use your personal name, customers may get confused or have trust issues during payment. So always use your business or brand name. If you are an influencer and your audience knows your personal name, you can use that. Here I select other and enter a proper business name like ABC Business Shop, then continue. Next, review business details and continue. Now we need to provide KYC details. This is very important for account activation. Razorpay handles KYC verification within the platform. Enter details correctly. Enter the mobile number linked to your PAN card and verify via OTP. Next, upload your ID proof. If you have a soft copy, upload it directly. Or you can use DigiLocker, a government app, to fetch documents quickly. Since I have DigiLocker, I choose that option. Log into DigiLocker, enter OTP, then your security pin and continue. Now Razorpay requests access to certain details from DigiLocker. You can allow or deny it. Here I select Aadhaar and PAN card and allow access. DigiLocker shares the data with Razorpay and Razorpay verifies it. It shows identity verification successful. Now continue. Next, confirm your business category. By default, it selected media and entertainment and books, which is incorrect for us. Since we are building an e-commerce site selling t-shirts, we update it. Select e-commerce as the main category. Then choose a subcategory. If not listed, click show all. Since we are selling t-shirts, select fashion and lifestyle. Next, it asks for average delivery time. Usually it's 3 to 4 days. So I select 0 to 7 days. You should answer based on your business and product type. For custom or handmade products, delivery time may be longer. Since my t-shirts are ready in stock, I choose 0 to 7 days. Now we need to enter bank account details where payments will be settled. Enter account number and IFSC code. IFSC code is the branch code of your bank. You can find it via Google or in your passbook. After entering details, they send 1 rupee to verify the account. Once received, your bank account is linked. Finally, we have completed basic details, business details, and KYC details. If everything is correct, click Submit Application. After submission, you cannot edit details. Since everything is correct, I submit the application. Now we need to pay 200 rupees as a one-time non-refundable fee. This is because KYC verification is manually reviewed by a person. I pay the amount by scanning the QR code using Razorpay Payment Gateway. Payment status updates and it asks to refresh. I reload the page and it's done. What it says here is that the application is is under review. Now I have submitted the application. It shows that your application has been submitted. They are saying that within 3 to 4 days, they will inform whether your Razorpay account will be activated or rejected. Meanwhile, if your customer base is mostly within India, you don't need this step. But if you have customers from foreign countries who will also make payments, you can enable international payments here. Razorpay provides that support. I click on the Unlock International button. When I click it, it asks for a purpose code. Based on RBI compliance, we need to select the appropriate purpose code for our business category. If you know it, select it. For now, since I don't know, I click skip for now. Finally, it says your application has been submitted. As mentioned earlier, it will take 3 to 4 working days. Meanwhile, it suggests exploring the test dashboard. I click on Explore Test Dashboard. Here you can see an orange announcement saying you are in test mode and cannot receive real money. That means during these 3 to 4 days of review, we can use this time to test whether the payment gateway works correctly on our website. Using this test account, we can trigger test payments. We can check whether orders are placed properly, payments are processed, refunds work, and where it redirects if a payment fails. All these can be tested properly in the WooCommerce WordPress website. At the bottom left, there is a test mode toggle, but we cannot turn it off now because it says activation is required. Since the account is under review, we cannot activate it yet. Once the account is activated, we can handle real money. I click OK. They will send terms of service and privacy policy documents to the registered email. We can verify those documents. They will contain all the details about what to do and what not to do. You can also upload that document to ChatGPT and get a summary. In my case, during this process, I received an email from Razorpay saying my account was activated. When I clicked the button, it said, "Congratulations, your KYC has been successfully approved." All the details I entered were correct, and after review, they activated my account. Now I click Start Accepting Payments. It shows that my account is activated and redirects to the plan page. On the plan page, there are 3 plans. You can choose monthly or yearly. These plans are mainly to reduce transaction fees. For example, the standard plan is free. If your monthly sales are up to 5,000 rupees, there is 0% transaction fee. Above 5,000 rupees, they charge 2.5% per transaction. Next is the Plus plan, which costs 499 rupees per month. You should calculate whether the 2.5% fee exceeds 500 rupees per month. If it exceeds 500 rupees, it's better to take the Plus plan. Otherwise, you can stay on the free plan. In the Plus plan, up to 30,000 rupees monthly sales have 0 transaction fees. Above 30,000 rupees, they charge 1.9% per transaction. Then there is the Pro plan for 2,200 rupees per month. If your 1.9% fees exceed 2,200 rupees, it's better to choose the Pro plan. Otherwise, you can stay in the Plus plan. This is the basic calculation. You can also copy this data and use tools like Perplexity for deeper analysis. Provide inputs like product cost, selling price, profit, shipping cost, and transaction fees. Then ask which plan is best. It will analyze based on different order volumes. Based on that, you can decide. For me, the standard plan is enough, so I select Keep Standard. It shows standard is now active. Now the test mode toggle is gone, meaning the account is activated. Scroll down and you will see Reveal Live API keys. An OTP is sent to my mobile, and after entering it, the key ID and key secret are shown. This is very important. It is shown only once. If you close it, it will disappear. So download and save it locally. Then go to Plugins, click Add New, install and activate Razorpay for WooCommerce. Go to Settings and it will open WooCommerce Settings. Enter the key ID and key secret there. After saving changes, Razorpay is successfully integrated into your WordPress WooCommerce website. In this video, we saw how to sign up for Razorpay, complete KYC verification, and integrate the payment gateway into the website. In the next video, we will see about the delivery partner ShipRocket. See you in the next video. Thank you.